RT AX82U admin login loop, cache clear and reset. Step 1. Attempt login and observe loop. Open your web browser and try to log in to your ASUS RT AX82U router's administration page. If you enter your credentials and are redirected back to the login screen without accessing the dashboard, you are experiencing the login loop. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. This is often the primary fix. In your web's browser settings or history menu, find the option to clear browsing data. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then clear them for all time. Step 3. Restart router and retest login. After clearing your browser's cache, power cycle your ASUS RT AX82U router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Once it's fully booted, open a new browser window or a different browser entirely and attempt to log in again. Step 4. Perform a hard reset if the loop persists. If clearing the cache and restarting don't work, you may need to perform a hard factory reset. With the router powered on, use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button on the back of the router for 5 to 10 seconds until the power light flashes.